everyone, it's Robin, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I made a pear almond polenta cake. It's super delicious. I'll show you how to make it. In a large bowl, place cornmeal, almond flour, baking powder, and salt, and whisk that together. In a separate bowl, beat 2 eggs. Now you're going to add the sugar, the olive oil, almond extract, and 2 4-ounce jars of baby food pear puree. Now, I just use that because it's easier. You can actually take 2 very ripe pears and puree that yourself. Or you can use applesauce, which is commonly used for moisture in the cake. 2 large firm pears get sliced for the topping. Now add the dry mixture to the wet mixture and give that a good mix. This is a gluten-free polenta and almond cake. It has a very unique texture that blends the heartiness of cornbread with the moist, dense feel of polenta. And you can see that I have an 8-ounce, not an 8-ounce, an 8-inch baking pan there, prepared with parchment paper for handles. Top the pears and stagger like so. And then top with the almonds. The almonds give it a great crunch, and the pears are lovely. You want to bake it for a full 70 minutes because it is a polenta cake. And there you go. You see how the parchment really helped me lift it right out. Now that's cooled for at least an hour. And then it slides right out. I'm going to dust that with powdered sugar just for an elegant display. And it's gorgeous. It's beautiful, bright and yellow for a sunny summer dessert. I hope you give it a try. Recipes and more at robinandwillow.com. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. It really does help.